Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand what Google Ads location assets are. Location assets refer to the geographical information associated with your ads, such as the physical location of your business, proximity targeting, and even custom location targeting. These assets enable you to tailor your ads to specific geographic areas, reaching the right people at the right time. So how can you maximize your Google Ads location assets for enhanced targeting? Let's explore some strategies. Refine your target audience. You can narrow your target audience based on specific locations by utilizing location targeting. This helps you focus your resources on reaching people interested in your products or services within your desired geographic location. Proximity targeting. If you have a physical store or business, proximity targeting allows you to display your ads to people nearby. This feature helps drive foot traffic and encourage local customers to visit your store. Custom location targeting. With custom location targeting, you can pinpoint specific areas where you want your ads to be shown. This is valuable when you have a particular market segment in mind or wish to exclude certain areas where your products or services may not be relevant. Measuring success with location assets. Now you understand how to leverage Google Ads location assets. It's essential to measure the success of your campaigns. Google Ads provides various metrics to help you evaluate the performance of your location-targeted ads. Pay close attention to metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversion rates to determine the effectiveness of your targeting and make data-driven optimizations. Congratulations! You've learned to maximize your Google Ads location assets for effective targeting. By leveraging these assets, you can refine your target audience, utilize proximity targeting, and even create custom location targeting to optimize your campaigns. Remember to analyze your campaign performance to ensure ongoing success regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy Google Ads.